The Barclays Premier League of 2015-2016 is coming to an end. This is King Power Stadium, the home of the EPL League leaders, Leicester City Football Club. This weekend, we are going to see the Red Devil in Manchester United being cast out by Pastor Leicester City. This has come to the attention of Pastor Leicester that the Red Devil has caused untold suffering for many years and left many fans and players and coaches alike with tears on their faces. But this weekend, we are going to witness Claudio Ranieri drink water and baptize many soccer teams who have been traditional league champions for so many years in Britain. Come next week, we would want to hear what many soccer pundits are going to be saying about Leicester City Football Club. We would want to hear what Barry Munandi, Chief Courty, Mike Madoda, Rabson Sharuko and Chichi Sabeta will have to write about Leicester City and the EPL League for many years to come, as history is going to be made this weekend. Sylvester Tapumane reporting for Zimdi TV in Mbare. In Manchester. Sylvester. Mukoma Slayer, ZBC, Aikash, Dakanganwa. Sylvester Tapumane reporting for Zimdi TV News, Leicester City in United Kingdom.